이것보다 50불 싸게 샀습니다. 매뉴얼이고요. 우후. 저는 사실 큰 게 필요가 없어서 가끔 티 내려 마시고 겨울에 칼칼할 때 한 번씩 카모마일 티 정도 마시는 정도라서. 근데 그래도 겨울에는 거의 케틀이 나와 있더라고요. 봅시다. 꽁꽁 잘 싸져 있네요. 볼까요? 제가 산 거는 빈티지 화이트고요. 왜 그러면 주방이 하얀색이어서. 제가 사실은 스테인리스로 된 케틀 하나가 신혼 때 산 게 있었는데 그게 진짜 눈에 가시더라고요. 주방을 공사를 하니까. 고민을 되게 많이 하다가 샀는데 진짜 귀엽네요. 사실 메탈 피니시 별로 좋아하는 편이 아니라서 고민을 조금 했는데 좀 귀여운 것 같아요. 이거는 밑에 베이스고요. 이렇게 탈칵 꽂으면 되네요. 네, 스테인리스보다는 좀 더 눈에 덜 띄는 것 같네요, 주방에. 자, 한번 볼까요? 뚜껑은 이렇게 약간 동그란 것도 아니고 네모난 엣지가 라운드된 그런 디자인이고, 여기 끝 버튼은 되게 귀엽네요. 어떨까요? 온앤오프가 있고 색깔이 되게 좀 마음에 드는 것 같아요. 너무 하얘면, 사실 저희 주방도 되게 하얗긴 한데 너무 하얘면 좀. 근데 이게 뚜껑이 어떻게 되는 거지? 뚜껑이 그냥 따로 열리는 게 아니라 이렇게 해서 겉에를 잡아주네요. 그리고 안에는 플라스틱 파트가 없고 there's no plastic part inside, but the lid is actually made of plastic, out of plastic. But where the water meets doesn't have any plastic parts, so I think it's really good. And even like the strainer doesn't have any like mesh or plastic. Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna close it. So I guess, okay, so I think there's a certain angle that you have to place the pot. Otherwise, I think it's not gonna you see like a little gap here, like right here. So I think it needs to be like a certain angle. Okay, so I'm gonna boil water. Okay, so just to test out. And then the cord is actually gray. I thought it's gonna be white. I'm a little bit disappointed, but I guess it's better than black, which I had before with my previous, the previous Kettle had, because it was like black and like, oh gosh, trying to plug in that thing. Okay, there, I think I plug in. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna, it's pretty, right? And it actually, the color is really similar to my Stanley tumbler. I really liked it. I guess I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna, so I actually, did I pass the max line? Yeah, I think I did. So this is max. I'm gonna put it, placed it right here. And I'm gonna just turn it on to see how loud it is. And let's take a look. Oh, this lights up. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Oh my god. This is really pretty in my kitchen. Once it's boiled up, and I'm gonna check out how hot the surface is, because I think it was like a Hayden one, the kettle from Hayden. I wanted to buy it, but it was like a single layer of like metal outside, so the outside seems like really hot when it boils up. But I think this one will be good, because I think this one won't be as hot as the single layer one. And then for the price point, I think the outside cannot be hot. If it's hot, like, although it's pretty, I think I'm gonna return it. Oh, I start hearing some noise. See, look at the color. It's pretty similar. I think this one's a little bit yellowish, and this one has like a little bit of pink tone, undertone, but they pretty go well together. Actually, it's a lot quieter than that I had, the one that I had. Wow, I'm really impressed with it. It's really quiet. It's very quiet. Wow. I'm touching the surface. It's a little warm, but it's not hot. Definitely not hot. And then the lid is not hot at all. Oh my god, this is really quiet, because like the one that I had before was making the loudest noise when it boils up. So I really had to like shut it down before it like boils up, because it was too loud. But this one's pretty good. Actually, it's not that hot. It's actually a little bit warm here on the upper side, but here it's cool, and the lid is not hot at all. And I'm just gonna, I think it's gonna be a little bit. I hope it doesn't flip. I hope it doesn't. Oh yeah, okay. I think it's fine. Okay, so I think it's pretty good. Okay. I'm trying to see if there's any defects before. Hold on, is this, I don't know, maybe this is what it's supposed to be. You see there's like a tiny gap here in between the spout and the body. I'm not sure that's what it's supposed to be. That's, and I see here like a little, see, I think I need to properly clean it up. You see, like there's like a tiny string here, but I think it's a silicone. Yeah, it is definitely silicone. I need to clean it up, but actually, overall, I'm really happy with the design. It's very pretty. Like, design is the one that bought this. I bought it because of the design. And yep, Kettle is no longer an eyesore, so I'm really happy. I'm keeping it. So if you're thinking whether you should buy or not, I would definitely not gonna buy at a regular price. Well, I would buy when it's on sale. I think the retail price in Canada for SMEG mini Kettle is like $1.99. But I bought it on sale. It was like $150. I think like this mini Kettle doesn't go below $150. So I bought it because, like, you know, it's a year end, and I never bought anything for myself for the Christmas. So yeah, this is it. So I'm keeping it. Thanks for watching.